Welcome, my dear students. Hello there. I am Teacher Owen, your English teacher for today. With the help of this video and your module, you will be able to fill out forms accurately and appreciate the importance of filling out forms accurately. But before that, let me give you some things to remember in filling out forms. Number 1. Know what is the form all about. Number 2. Understand and follow the directions. Number 3. Read each items on the form. Number 4. Provide true and correct information. Now let us have the different types of forms. Number 1, we have the school forms. School forms are used to collect and update information from parents of current and future students and the students themselves. Let us have an example. This form is called Student Personal Information. The direction is, read the form, use capital letters and filling out the details needed. Let us fill in the details needed one by one. Now let us start with the name. Here you should write your full name, starting with the surname, first name, and your middle initial. Another information is the address. Indicate your house number if any, street, barangay, town, and province. The next to be answered is the country. It is the name of country where you live. Another one is your grade and section. Here, you should write your current grade and section. Next information to be filled in is your age. It answers the question, how old are you? Another information is your sex or gender. It is your biological anatomy at birth, if you are a male or a female. Next to be answered is your date of birth. This is the day you are born. Remember that it can also seen on your birth certificate. Another information to be answered is the teacher. Here you should write the name of your current teacher or class advisor. And the last information to be filled in is the school. It is the name of your current school where you are enrolled in. This is now an example of the fully accomplished student personal information. Now let us have deposit slips. A deposit slip is a small paper form that a person includes with a bank deposit to show how much money he or she is putting in the bank account. It contains the deposit date, name, and bank account number of the depositor, and the amount to be deposited in the form of checks or cash, and the signature of the depositor. Let us have an example. This is an example of a cash deposit slip. Let us try to fill in one by one. How to fill out a deposit slip? Number 1. First, write your name and bank account number. Second, then supply additional details such as transaction date, and any branch information required. Number 3, list the cash amount, breakdown of your deposit, and the total amount thereafter. Lastly, affix your signature over printed name found on the lower part of the form. We have here another example of deposit slip. First, we should write the current date of transaction. Example is October 5, 2020. Next, you should write your account number. Your bank account number is a unique number provided by your bank where you chose to deposit your money. Example here is 0123456789. Next to be filled in is your account name. Write your full name. Example here is Juan C. de la Cruz. Also, don't forget to write the denomination, how many pieces, and the amount. Example here is, under denomination, we have 1,000 pesos. 5 pieces is equal to 5,000 pesos. We also have 500 pesos in 8 pieces, that is equal to 4,000 pesos. And finally, don't forget to write the total amount, which is 9,000 pesos in all. The last type of form that we are going to discuss is about withdrawal slips. A withdrawal slip is a small paper form which has to be filled out before making a withdrawal of money from a bank. After filling out the bank slip, a person signs on it in the presence of a bank teller. We have here an example of a withdrawal slip. These are the steps to follow on how to fill out a withdrawal slip. Number 1. First, write your name and the date. Number 2. Then write the desired amount of your withdrawal in words and in figures. Number 3. Finally, affix your signature on the signature line found on the form, but do this only until a bank teller can witness you signing it. We have here another example of withdrawal slip. First, you should write the current date of your transaction. Example is October 5, 2020. Another is you write your account name. Example is Juan C. de la Cruz. Next is you provide your account number. Your bank account number is a unique number given to you by your bank. Write the amount you are going to withdraw in words and in figures. And lastly, don't forget to affix your signature. I hope that you have learned how to fill out forms accurately with this video. Always remember to read directions before filling in some important information. Let us now try to answer the different activities that can be found in your English 5 Module 1 Week 1. Congratulations for a job well done. Thank you for listening and participating to our lesson for today. Again, this is Teacher Owen. Until next time, bye-bye!